I'd like to welcome everyone here today as we celebrate the National Day of Korea. I wish to extend my special thanks to Honorable Prime Minister for his valuable presence. And prior to this, we paid a silent tribute to those who lost their lives in the tragic accident happened in Korea just a few days ago. And among them, there are 26 foreign nationals from 15 countries visiting or residing in Korea. I'd like to take this time to express my sincere condolences to the victims and their families in Korea and abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, our National Day reception is being held after 3 years' absence since 2019. Although the COVID-19 has caused significant disruption around the world, Fiji has managed the pandemic crisis with its strong leadership, timely containment measures, and the successful vaccination rollout. During these uncertain times, Korean government strived to contribute to Fiji's response to COVID-19 through sharing our policy and experience, as well as providing PCR test kits and personal protection equipment worth of more than 1 million Fijian dollars. And in addition, a newly built COVID-19 isolation ward has handed over to Tumi Hospital in Suva. And furthermore, 10 ambulances and 10 stretchers valued more than 1 million Fijian dollars were donated for better essential medical care in emergencies. In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen Fiji's strong economic recovery with the revitalization of tourism. And in a post-pandemic world, the Fijian government's ambition to further diversify its industries will help promote resilient and sustainable development. Although the global growth is expected to slow significantly this year, owing to the Russia-Ukraine war and the surging inflation, I believe Fiji will navigate these challenges. And in that process, Korea will also work together with Fiji as a long-standing friend. Fiji and Korea commemorated the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations last year, and making this Golden Jubilee, the both presidents of Fiji and Korea exchanged congratulatory letters, and the commemorative event for the 50th anniversary was held in Suva here just a year ago. Distinguished guests, the Korean government under the new President Yoon Suk-yeol aims to strengthen its engagement and cooperation with the Pacific Island countries. And taking this opportunity, I'd like to applaud the Pacific region's solidarity, which was well demonstrated at the 51st Pacific Islands Forum Leaders Meeting, chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister Bainimarama. Korea understands that the 2050 strategy for the Blue Pacific continent presents a long-term vision for the future prosperity of the region. And as a forum dialogue partner since 1995, Korea recognizes the importance of the 2050 strategy and look forward to making contribution to bring the vision of the strategy to reality. And in this respect, my government, through Korea PIF Cooperation Fund, established in 2008, has been supporting social and economic development of Pacific Island countries. The fund has implemented 10 major projects with about $13 million so far. And last week, the 5th Korea Pacific Islands Foreign Ministers meeting was held face-to-face in Busan. The ministers discussed various issues of mutual concern, including climate change and ways to bolster collaboration in support of the regional priorities. And next year, we will see the first inaugural Korea Pacific Islands Summit, which will further enhance our cooperation and partnership. And ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, please allow me briefly inform you on the Korean government's bid to host World Expo 2030 in Busan. The Busan Expo, under the theme of transforming our world, navigating toward a better future, will particularly focus on addressing climate change. And it will significantly benefit this region where climate change is the single greatest threat. By the end of the reception, a promotional video of World Expo 2030 Busan will be screened. And I hope this video could inspire all of you here to better understand the Busan's bid and encourage governments of Pacific Island countries to consider providing valuable support for it. Thank you again for your attendance tonight. And now I'd like to propose a toast for the everlasting friendship between Korea and Fiji, and also for your good health and happiness. So if I may, cheers to Fiji.
It is with great joy and honor this evening that we join the Ambassador of the Republic of Korea, His Excellency Mr. Yang Kyu-Park, and the staff of the Korean Embassy in commemorating this momentous occasion, the National Foundation Day of the Republic of Korea. In doing so, we convey our warm congratulations and best wishes to the government and the people of the Republic of Korea for this remarkable and historic milestone. Your Excellency, may I also take this opportunity on behalf of the Fijian government and its people to extend our heartfelt sympathy and deepest condolences for the tragic loss of lives consequent upon the unfortunate incident at Itaewon, Seoul on the 29th of last month. Excellency, Fiji stands in solidarity with the peoples of the Republic of Korea and the families of the victims during these difficult times. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji and the Republic of Korea share a close and enduring relationship that is complemented by a long-standing development partnership that covers diverse areas such as climate change, health, education, community development, amongst others. Fiji is continually inspired by Korea's journey of rapid economic development, and as a developing nation, Fiji is fortunate to learn from Korea's experiences, and we remain committed to working closely with the Republic of Korea to realize the full potential of our partnership of the mutual benefit of our countries and its peoples. On that note, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is my greatest honor and most humble duty this evening, on behalf of His Excellency the President, the Honorable Prime Minister, the government and all Fijians, to extend to the government and the people of the Republic of Korea our sincere appreciation and best wishes for a memorable and enjoyable National Foundation Day. May I invite you to please charge your glasses as I propose a toast for the continued good health, happiness, and prosperity of the President, the government, and the people of the Republic of Korea. To the Republic of Korea. Binakapukaleo and kamsamida.